On May 14, 2018, Sichuan Airlines Flight 8633 experienced a sudden and catastrophic event when the right front cockpit windshield blew out at 30,000 feet, leading to uncontrolled decompression. Despite the intense noise and damaged controls, the co-pilot managed to send a distress signal, and the crew struggled to maintain control in a mountainous terrain. After 35 tense minutes, the plane made an emergency landing at Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport. Remarkably, despite the first officer being partially sucked out of the cockpit and sustaining injuries, the crews have ensured the survival of everyone on board.